This is the demo for downloading RCareWorld for the RCareWorld Hackathon. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is obtain the files using Git. If you have an SSH key set up, you can follow the first one, which I have highlighted over here. Otherwise, you can simply clone the Git repository over, and it should all work the same. Okay, now once that step is finished, you're going to want to navigate to the RCareWorld repository using the cd command. Once you're there, you check out to the Hackathon branch, which I have highlighted over here, git checkout hackathon. And then finally, git lfs pull. Now this one might take a little while to fully process, as it is a pretty large file. But once you have that done, you want to navigate to the test install folder inside of Hackathon demo. And you're going to select Windows since you're using a Windows operating system, and extract all the files inside. Okay, and you should see the file that's saved inside there. And then after that, what you have to do is just install it. So if you already have Anaconda installed on your system, you don't need to type in the command install conda. What you can do is you can go straight into /install windows install pycareworld.bat and just paste it in. So note here that on Windows, you might need to install Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 or greater, and you're going to have to get Visual Studio Installer from the Microsoft Store to do that. If you're confused on how to do this, you can just click on this YouTube link as a tutorial for it. So again, this might take a little while. Don't worry, it will eventually finish. Okay, and then after you have all of that done, next thing to do is to test to make sure that your files are working correctly. So what happens on Windows when you extract it is that the Windows actually creates a double folder. So what you're going to want to do is cut this window folder inside of the first window folder and just paste it into the folder that all the zip files were in. Then you want to activate conda environment. So you go conda activate RCareWorld, and then after that you cd to the Hackathon demo folder, and then run it using Python. So run python test install windows.py. And then after a little bit, you should be able to see a Unity Windows pop up, where it should have the following animation, and that's how you know you've installed it successfully.